Email lists are so important to online business, but one thing I hear time and time again is that people don't email their list because they don't really know what to send. Watch this video to find out exactly what you should be sending to your email list. So you need an email list to help you grow your authority, expand your reach, and bring in more money to your business. But you can't do any of those things if you're not actually emailing them. By the end of this video, you're going to have 19 types of email that you can send to your email subscribers. Myself and my clients use these types of emails frequently, and now you can too. So just before I get stuck into the 19 things that you can send to your email subscribers, I've got a freebie, a download, which shares 73 different things you can send to your email subscribers, which means you'll never run out of things to say again. So I'll put the link to that up in the cards and down in the comments as well, so make sure you grab your copy today. For the best blogging tips and advice, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified when I post a new video every single Monday. Let's break it down. What can you send to your list? So number one, worksheets, printables, checklists. As long as it's valuable and it's giving your audience a quick win, they will love this kind of email. So number two is use a success story to promote your affiliate. So maybe you've had a really great relationship with ConvertKit, for example, and they helped you build your email list and you love the functions that they offer. And so share your success story, and then in that email, you'll also be able to promote your affiliate. So number three is a behind the scenes peek at your business. So your email list enables you to build up more know, like, and trust with your audience, and sharing behind the scenes is something that people always love to have a look at. So it's a great thing to send to your list. Number four is a myth breaker email. So is there a myth in your industry, like all vegan food is bland, or hippies are barefoot, or whatever it is in your industry? You can use an email then to dispel that myth. So number five is a favorite things email or top picks email. And this is a great way to share your recommendations of services, products that you use, but also to drive more affiliate income. So number six could be your income reports. You might not want to publish these online, but you might be happy to share your income reports with your subscribers. And again, people always love the peek behind the curtain of your business. So number seven is a start here email. So you might have a start here page on your site. It would be a great idea to use a condensed version of that and send it out into an email to make sure that people can hit the ground running and it directs them to certain content that they will find useful. So before we move on to number eight, I'd love to know if you currently have an email list and if you, more importantly, actually send emails to that list. So leave a comment below. I'd love to hear where you're up to with your email list at the moment. So number eight is blog growth reports or case studies. So people always love to hear how you've increased your traffic from 0 to 11 billion overnight. And so if you've got a story, it might not be as extreme as that, or a case study, then you can share that with your subscribers. Number nine is a wish list. So you could literally send out a wish list email which incorporates affiliate products as well, but obviously make sure that they're coming from a genuine place, that they are things that you would love to have at the moment. Number 10 is an additional exclusive blog post. So write a blog post just as you would normally for your blog, but instead send it to your list and make sure that they know that this is content that they cannot get elsewhere. So number 11 is a personal story. So take this time to dig deep and share a personal story, hopefully one that's got a lesson in it that will help your audience at this moment in time. And it will also help you deepen that connection with your audience. Hopefully they'll find some points of resonance with what you say, and it will help develop the know, like, and trust factor. So number 12 is news or reminders. So do you have a product that you've just released that you'd like to remind people about? Or potentially if you're an affiliate and the company you're an affiliate for has a launch or a new thing that they've released, then it's a good time to send that email to your list as a reminder. Number 13, a recap of popular posts. So take some time to figure out the top posts that you've published over the last year and curate this special list for your subscribers and make it clear why you've chosen those posts, for them, and why you're reminding them of those posts. Number 14 is a recap of seasonal posts. So as we're coming towards Christmas, collect together your seasonal posts and for Christmas and send those out in an email. Number 15 is an old post revamped. So you might have an old post that's done well, or maybe it didn't do as well as you'd hoped, and give that a revamp and send that out to your email subscribers. Make it clear why you're sharing it with them, and I'm sure it will have some value that people can still get value from, and so don't be afraid to share an old favourite. Number 16 is a how can I help you email. So send an email to your list to say, how can I help you right now? What are the biggest things that you're struggling with? What are your goals? Where would you like to go? And how can I be of service for that? So it could be a basic text email, or it could be an email with a link to a survey, but either way, ask their help and ask how you can be of assistance to them. And number 17 is a curated content email. So if you have a baking blog, potentially you might want to send out the 5 best chocolate cake recipes you'll ever see. And it's content that you're curating from other places. So there'll be links to other posts, but you're going to be seen as the person that can then collate all this information. And even though it's not your content that you're driving traffic to, you're giving your audience value, which is so important. So number 18 is your story email. So this differs to number 11, which was a personal story, because you're sharing your whole story as it pertains to your business, how you started, your bumps in the road, and so people can see how you've progressed and made a success of your business. And it's really important to share that so people know exactly where you're coming from. So lastly, number 19 is an interview with a peer, a friend, or an influencer. We all know some pretty great people that have got brilliant stories that can add lots of value to our audience. So why not interview that person and share the interview with our email subscribers? The main thing to think about when you're emailing your email subscribers is to provide helpful content, really valuable content. You don't want them wondering why they joined your list. You want them to be really grateful that they did join the list and know that that content is in the majority content that they're not going to get elsewhere, that there's a reason for them to stay on your list. So there you have it, my email marketing content blueprint. You can take these 19 types of emails and you will never not know what to send to your list again. So don't forget to grab the freebie, the 73 types of emails you can send to your list in case 19 is not enough, and the emails will be flowing from now on. So if you like this video, please let me know by liking it below, share it with your friends and subscribe for more videos. And I'd love to know in the comments if you have tried any of these types of emails and what your particular subscribers' pain points are, because that is so important to us to be able to give them the right content to help them. See you soon.